So there was a time when Resurrection Remix was number one Android ROM when it comes to features and customization. At one time it was even more popular than CyanogenMod, which now we know as Lineage OS, but currently Resurrection Remix is not number one ROM. Then after a few years, a ROM called Havoc OS come and it changed the industry by providing features with stability. So in this video we are going to compare Resurrection Remix with Havoc OS. So make sure you watch this video till end because we are going to find out which one is the better ROM among these two. So Resurrection Remix is one of the most popular Android ROM along with Lineage OS. Around 10 years old custom ROM with huge team that used to give regular updates. And you can install Resurrection Remix on almost all the new Android phones. And as I said, it has some amazing features. Mostly all the new Android ROMs that you install are highly inspired from Resurrection Remix, at least when it comes to features and customization. On the other hand, we have this new custom ROM called Havoc OS. So the amazing thing about Havoc OS is that when the new Android is launched, it is one of the first Android ROM to update it. For example, when Android 10 was launched, Havoc OS was the only official ROM to release its build for Android 10. And even before Android 10 was launched, Havoc OS had the system-wide dark mode. So in the dark mode, Havoc OS forces all apps to go in complete dark theme. Even notifications that you get are completely black. And if you have phone which has OLED display, it can practically double your battery life. Resurrection Remix will struggle on older phones like Redmi Note 5, Redmi Note 7, and on Redmi Note 4 it's unusable. On the other hand, Havoc OS, as you can see, I'm rocking in my Redmi Note 4, very old phone and it's working great. It's so smooth I can use it as my daily driver. Even some old OnePlus phones are great for this ROM. So if you're on the phone which has comparatively weaker CPU and around 2GB of RAM, then you should go for Havoc OS. So you can buy these phones very cheap in 2020 for $100 or $150. Just install a fresh copy of Havoc OS and you're good to go. Get amazing features, weekly update, and customize your phone the way you want. So Havoc OS also has OT update. It means you get weekly updates that also automatically. You don't need to do anything else. You don't need to flash anything manually. Apart from these both ROMs are very similar, but Havoc OS is slightly stable. Like if you're using Havoc OS, you won't ever get random reboot like Resurrection Remix. Don't get me wrong, Resurrection Remix is also good ROM. You can use it as your daily driver, but sometimes you get random reboot and sometimes your touchscreen stop working. It might be because kernel compatibility issues. So people normally install a custom ROM because they want to get the latest Android version. But the sad thing is, even in 2020, Resurrection Remix Android 10 is still not launched yet. Of course, you will find builds for Android 10, but those are not official builds made by official team. If you go on Resurrection Remix website today, you will find Android Oreo and Android Pie ROMs, but not the Android 10. So currently people who want to install Android 10 ROM and want to get Resurrection Remix feature, Havoc OS is the only alternative. On the other hand, Resurrection Remix is currently dead because the main developer left. So there is no official team that is working on Resurrection Remix Android 10. So currently people are moving from Resurrection Remix to other ROMs like Lineage OS or Havoc OS or the new good ROM Evolution X. Now if some highly skilled person can take this development ahead, but still it won't be official, and it's really sad to see Resurrection Remix is dead now because it was one of the greatest ROM for last 7 to 8 years. So that gives you clear idea if you want to choose between these two ROMs. Like if you appreciate my work on this channel, and I will see you tomorrow.